Well, when I typed it, I was planning to give this watch, which is shown in the video, to somebody for her birthday. But in meanwhile, I found another more wonderful gift to give, so I'm keeping this watch myself, and that means I can put this video on YouTube earlier than expected. So I hope you will enjoy this video, and please ignore the remarks about the birthday being its birthday gift. It's mine now and she gets something more wonderful. This is another gift I want to give, and I have to do something myself about it. I bought it not that expensive, second hand. It looks nice, but I know I had a risk, so I did not spend way too much money, so I'm going to make it look a little bit better, but also I have to change the battery, and of course I don't know what battery there is in it. I have changed a battery myself before on a watch. I even changed a glass somewhere. So I'm hoping I can put in Noli batteries, and I'm hoping that it will work then. First step is to lift the back lid, and most watches have places to put a screwdriver in. So study it well, and then you could, in theory, as I said, I did it before, but with another watch, lift up this plate at the back. Well, it was not that difficult. I must say I'm surprised, and the inside looks good. So now I have to carefully lift out the battery, which is this one, and then have to find replacements for it, and then hope it works. I will make a micro photo of it so I can see all the types, etc. But as you can see, with a little bit of luck, I might be able to restore this watch. Also, be very careful when you remove the battery, because as I see, I have bent some of the metal, but I think the contact, etc. are still intact, so I'm hoping it doesn't matter. Oh, and if you're not filming, you might want to take a picture in advance on how the battery was placed, so you can do it the same. Luckily, I have still the video, I had forgotten it, so that is a little tip. So now I'm going to be looking for an LR626, which also is something you have to know, that in different countries there are several names for that type. So I also Google, if I can't find it literally, what the other name might be for it. So it's not, if you have an LR626 and you can find that, that's okay, but don't be desperate. You can also Google how it's called in different countries, and they have different names, but it's still the same battery. So now I'm going to look for it and hope it will make the watch work again. It's just funny that I went to the nearest store and I found it. But as you can see, they already mention how it's called in different countries. But there are two on that blister which are good for what I'm searching for. I had to buy a whole blister with a lot of different sizes, but anyway, I put them with my other batteries, and probably may use them someday in something else. Now we get to the exciting moment where I have to put carefully the battery in and hope that it works, that the watch is not broken. So please wish me luck. Victory! Yes, look. It's sticking. I had the correct one. I was sure, but it could have been broken in the mechanics. But it's working. So now I have to put the back on. And again, which should click in easily. And then I'm going to pull out this pin because I don't want to spoil the battery any further. But phew, it was a gimbal. But now for not much money, I'm not going to say the price because I will put it video on after the person has gotten it. But for a very nice price, just by taking a small risk and doing the battery change myself. And it's on again. I pushed it really hard. And here we have a ticking watch. I have to make it a little bit better because it's vintage, but that's okay. It's good looking and wearable. Funny. And now I'm going to pull it out because I don't want to spoil the battery, as I said before. I'm so happy with that. I hope she likes it also. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe or respond, and thank you for watching. Bye!